Namaskaram, welcome to another episode of Machine with Mayank, and as you can see we are trying to explore AgentKit. It has been launched yesterday, uh, evening hours, not evening hours, US timings, yes. So what AgentKit does, it's new tool for building, deploying and optimizing agents. So they've given you a visual workflow to connect everything together. And so let's go ahead what they are saying. Today we are launching AgentKit, complete set of tools for developers and enterprise to build, deploy and optimize agents. So earlier we need to have so many things need to be done. Custom connectors means we need connectors for your Gmail. Connectors typically it's all your different tools which are outside specialized tools, so which can be brought into our system. So we need to individually connect each and every tool, right? And evaluation pipelines, we have to tune the prompts and a lot of front end work to launch because we need to connect the front end. So with AgentKit, developers can now design the workflow visually and embed agentic UIs faster using new building blocks. So what they are doing is Agent Builder is the visual canvas. So it's your easier way to create the workflow, like your flow chart, multi-agent workflows. Then connector registry, so it's a center place where all the tools are available, right? So to manage how data and tools connect across OpenAI products. So any OpenAI, for example, agent builder you're using, how to connect with multiple data sources. And ChatKit, this is for embedding customizable chat-based agent experience in your product. So in the front end part, it is easier to launch that thing. Okay, so they are also doing a couple of other things: stress grading, automatic prompt optimization and data sets and all. They are a little bit advanced in nature, so we will not discuss that for now, right? So now what we have to do is we can just see how it works. So they have a couple of templates, we can go through it. So as agent workflow grow more complex, developers need clearer visibility in how they work. So agent builder provides a visual canvas for composing logic with drag and drop nodes, connecting tools and configuring custom guardrails, right? If you are understanding, if you don't know what is guardrail means it's a preventive mechanism so that the LLMs are not used for some wrong purposes or anything which you have defined, right, which you do not want it to be used for, right? So it supports preview runs, inline eval configuration and full versioning, right? So many people had got earlier access to it. Right, so ChatKit makes it simple to embed chat messages that feel native to your product into the apps or websites and customize to match your theme or brand. All right, so let's not waste too much time of yours and directly jump into Agent Builder. So this is right now available we are learning it from the playground. Learn how to build, deploy, and optimize agent workflow with AgentKit. Right, so build, deploy. So for building, we are using workflow. To deploy, we'll use ChatKit, and to optimize, build robust events to observe and improve. Right. So we'll go with Agent Builder. Same thing. We'll just go design a workflow, publish a workflow. It's an object with an ID and versioning. Deploy a workflow. Pass the ID into a ChatKit integration. All right. On Agent Builder. So build a agent workflow with custom logics, right? So we are not building a new one for now. We'll just go with something like this. There are a couple of templates. We'll evaluate that. For example, data enrichment. Right. So it's typical your right. So here we have a template. Simple workflow to research a set of companies using web search and provide a summary analysis. Example input, analyze NVIDIA. Okay. I know you would be thinking it looks similar to n8n, but yeah, n8n also requires a lot of configuration at every node. But of course, n8n is pretty much uh, n8n is much more focused and concentrated. So I would always rate n8n above this workflows which are new. So we so you can see this is a logic if else while user approval, right? User approval is human in the loop kind of stuff here. To just see what we have to do. We have given a node, right? What need to be done. So this is a node which they are using. This is sticky. हाँ इसका ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this first start web research agent would be used, and summarize and display. So this is what all need to be done. Okay, we'll click on this just to see what is web research agent. Instructions: you are helpful assistant, use web research to find information, include chat history, model what we are using, reasoning effort low, output format we need it in JSON. Okay, and then we have added one other agent. You can see that agent is here. So summarize and display, put the research together in a nice display using the output format described, right? So output format company display. Cool. So we'll just run it. So this is what we have created. Now we will publish it. New workflow, trial, publish. Okay. So this is, we need a domain to use ChatKit, which I do not have right now. So if we add that domain, it becomes easier to use. Can we do it? Example.com. Right, so I have to utilize it on my website, so I need to use this IDs and then I'll be able to do it. I hope we are able to understand what it means, and I will in the backend I will try and set it up. So for now they have just given a couple of things. Agent, what we need to work with. So for example, if I click on agent, this agent is here. You can name the agent, what instructions you have for that agent, if you want to add some tools. So here is the main thing, right? This is ChatKit is the client tool. It's on the website if you want to use it. And then you have MCP server, you have file search, you have web search, you have code interpreter, you know, you can see whatever if you want to utilize some of the tool. So yeah, I think it gives the feeling and vibe of N10, and still it has lot many things to do. It's a new part, it's a bit new. So I will go with N10 for now. Let's see how it works out. I need to work a lot on this. Verbosity and everything is also there. Okay, display responses in chat, show search sources and everything. So it is more of a product side, it's good. So you can create the logic here on this canvas, and then you can, once you do publish, you will be able to publish it to, so you'll be able to publish it to your, क्या नाम था उसका, हाँ, you'll be able to publish it on that chat kit, right? So anytime if you want to change the logic, you just have to change the logic here, and to deploy, so it will get deployed on chat kit, and chat kit would be available on your website. So this is good. So all the logic can be managed from here. So it looks easier comparatively, but I have to try and embed into my website, right? I can do that. As you have seen my website, this is risky.in. I have a product, so we do automation and sales and marketing and everything that makes life of startups easier. But we typically work with manufacturing startups or startups that are into non-tech domain. And so here I had this tool. There's AI. So that's great. I can utilize it for this. For this, I will work on it and keep you updated on that. Cool. I hope you liked it. And if you're confused, please drop a message or comment. I'll try to solve it. Thank you. Have a great day.